Welcome to the Limassol Greens September Progress Update video. As you can see, the most anticipated golf resort in Cyprus is in full countdown mode. Our clubhouse is progressing at full speed, with interiors, final touches, and landscaping all underway, preparing to welcome our first golf players by the end of September. On the driving range, Trackman technology will soon be installed, bringing an unforgettable game experience that will truly change the game in Cyprus. At the same time, Robin West apartments are already being handed over to their proud new owners, while Robin East is fast approaching completion. Ibis Villas are also being delivered, and construction on the Gulffront Villas is advancing dynamically, with first deliveries set before the year's end. Out on the course, every detail is being perfected. The grass is trimmed, the bunkers carefully sanded, and landscaping is in full swing to create a world-class playing experience. The final stretch, holes 13 to 18, are sprouting beautifully, completing the vision of a course designed for excellence. The excitement is building. A new destination is emerging, the most sought-after lifestyle and golf community on the island. Soon you will be able to experience it firsthand. Limassol Greens. Life in full swing.